Before we get going today, what do you say we start off with a bit of trivia? Let's see if you can get this one right. The question is, what is Stromboli? Is it A, an island off the coast of Italy, B, rolled up pizza dough that's stuffed and baked, C, the name of a volcano, or D, all of the above? If you guess D, all of the above, you're right. But since we only have 90 seconds and we aren't a geography or history show, I say we focus on B, the rolled up pizza dough that's stuffed with all sorts of goodness. To make this Italian favorite, all we do is combine some ricotta and mozzarella cheese, a bit of oregano, and a little salt. Once that's mixed, we add some chopped spinach that we sauteed with lots of minced garlic, and we let that cool. This mixture gets spread onto refrigerated pizza dough that we've unrolled and cut into quarters. Now, we roll this up and place it on a baking sheet, seam side down. Once it's baked and the crust is golden, it's ready to serve. And don't forget to warm up some spaghetti sauce for Dunkin' or to spoon over it. To get the recipe for our spinach and cheese stromboli, just visit our website. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an unquestionably tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.